મારું નામ ભીલ લક્ષ્મી કિશનભાઈ છે. મારા મમ્મી પપ્પા કડિયા કામ કરે છે. હું પહેલામાં ભણું છું. મને અહીંયા ભણવાનું ગમે છે. હું મોટી થઈને ટીચર બનું છું.
મારા મમ્મી પપ્પા કડિયા કામ કરે છે. હું મોટી થઈને ડૉક્ટર બની.
Sprouting from the slums of Ahmedabad and the neighboring towns, with parents being daily wage earners, all these kids needed was a little bit of love and support to shine. When we started this initiative, we saw what difference this support and education made to them. This created the pathway for the education mission AHAN under the banner of InfoStretch Ignite.
Project AHAN is very close to our heart, which is to provide educational and rich experiences to our underprivileged kids. We wanted them to blossom not only in the academic area, but wanted them to learn lots of life skills also. Vocational skills, trainings, drama, creativity, so that they can do whatever they want to do in their lives. The actual challenge which we were facing in AHAN Center was to make these kids sit and to listen to us. Their attention span was very less. So we wanted to work on them so that they can do whatever they want to do in their lives. Earlier they were not willing to talk to us, they were not exposed to outer world, they didn't come out frequently to us and talk openly with their open hearts. But then Infonia started visiting them, they opened up, they talked to them and become familiar with lots of things. We played fun activities with them and the courses were designed in such fun manner that they don't have to just listen and seriously to the educational part only.
So a lot of our kids at different centers are beyond 17 to 18 years and they are brilliant in all different sectors. So there are few kids are very well at hand painting. That's their USP. And with Schwarz we have developed different products with which we can paint them and sell them. So every year we organize an exhibition at the InfoStretch campus where all the Infoniers come together to buy the products and help them earn a livelihood, with which we are trying to make sure that every child meets the potential so that they don't have to go out and do the labor work, because they have a potential and we are here to give them opportunities.